Hi, welcome to episode 3 of Green Apples in Love. I'm Sophia.
I'm Christina.
I'm Paulina, and we are sisters.
And this is our special guest, Bluey.
Put him on your shoulder.
We're making mango ice pops with bananas, mango, salt, some honey, and coconut cream.
And ice pop holders.
Okay, so you'll need 3 ripe bananas, 1 really ripe mango, a can of coconut milk or cream, some pink salt, and some honey optional.
We had to put Bluey back in the cage, but you might hear him talking to us.
Remember, safety first. In this recipe, we are going to use a blender. A blender is electrical, and it has a sharp blade. So remember to always have an adult supervise you while you are doing any recipe.
Before you start cooking, you should always tie up your hair, wash your hands before you touch any food, and put on an apron. And it would be nice to wear an apron.
Let's begin!
Cooking.
Oh my god. So I'll start cutting this. Always have adult supervision while using a knife. Oh my god, that's 1 ripe mango.
Under the last one. I want to do the coconut.
This mango is very ripe. It's perfect for smoothies and for ice cream. You can scoop it out with a spoon if it's like really mushy. Oh my god. Okay. That's enough. Watch out for the pit, it gets in your way.
And just do not eat the pit.
Wait. Cut. Grab the pit and scrape off all the meat from it.
I'd eat the meat.
It's really slimy, but it's food. I'll eat the rest. No.
The best part about cooking is the leftovers.
Okay. Our special guest, he had a great idea of putting some lemon into it. You have to peel the skin off, then just pop the whole thing in. Well. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And okay, we got lemon. That smells like lemon. That smells good. Okay. As soon as we pour the ice pops, we are going to use the beautiful remnants to drink the smoothie. Okay. Tastes so warm. I think I know why. This part can be a little messy, so.
Does she need to have more? We need to have more.
No, we're good. Okay, start putting covers on this. Oh my god. I did it on this one. You're trying to kill them. Oh, not actually.
Now it's time to cut.
Okay. I don't think there's enough left, Christina. Let's just do a few more, like 3 more. 3 more?
I see how much is
That
that's enough.
will like cover maybe like
No, I
not,
think that's
not
it.
even
Okay, so that's
1
good.
more. Okay. These have to freeze for about maybe like 5 hours. So
No, 3 hours.
5.
No,
So
just say
check on them. Just like we'll
Around 2 to
put
3
these
hours.
in the freezer and come back to you. Make sure to like and subscribe this video. The description is in the link below. And make sure to follow us on Instagram at Green Apples and Love. Bye. Okay.
Bye.
This also makes a great smoothie. That's so not. I did some that one. Whatever.
Here are our ice pops. Enjoy your summer.